Hello students, welcome back. So in the previous session actually we discussed few theory parts. So now let's move on to solve few numericals, simple numericals that I'm going to take in today's session. So then you will understand where you're supposed to apply the concepts. Okay, so let us take the first problem. So four problems that I have already written on the board. So we'll go through with one by one. Okay, let me take the first one. The first problem is, and solution for first one. Look at here, see, an alternating current I is given by I is equals to 10 sine 100 pi t. Find maximum value of current. So that means what? We can take I max or I naught, and frequency. Second one frequency, that is f. Third one time period, that is t. So we need to find all these three values. Sir, how to find, sir? We have a general equation for current, the maximum value of current. We have a general equation. What is that? That is given by I is equals to I naught sine omega t. See, what is the equation that we have here? That is given by I is equals to 10 sine 100 pi into t. Okay, see here we have a equation I is equals to 10 sine 100 pi t. Correct. So the first one is what? We need to find the value of current, maximum value of current. That is given by A. See, I naught in the, just compare these two equations 1 and 2. So 1 is a general equation we have. So 2 is the equation that is given in the question. So I is equals to what? I naught sine omega t. In the place of I naught, what we have here? That is nothing but 10. So the maximum value of current is given by I naught is equals to 10 ampere, because the value of current is what? It is nothing but ampere only. So it's a unit of current. Now similarly, second one, what we need to find? Frequency. See, we have a formula for frequency. We have 1 by t is one formula, and we have 2 pi by t. So formula, if you want to find, just go through with it. See, omega is equals to what we have? Omega is equals to what? 2 pi by t. Why you took, sir, this one, omega? Because here, see, we know the value of omega here. So what I will do, so that is also written as 2 pi into 1 by t value is what? That is f. 1 by t value is nothing but what? It's f. So f we need to find. So f is equals to what now? 2 pi by omega. See, all these formulas that you have already used in your class 11 chapter, that is of oscillation and waves. There we use most of the formulas. Here just I am revising the things what you already learned and what you already know. Okay, so now that is equals to 2 pi is by omega. So what is the value of omega here? So 2 pi divided by C. Omega value in the first equation 1 and 2, if you compare, you will get the value of omega. Correct. So what is the value of omega? Wait a minute. So here I did one mistake. So actually Fy need, right? So send this into RHS. What I will get? F is equals to omega is already there, omega by 2f. Yes. So that is equals to omega value is what here? 100 pi. 100 pi divided by 2 pi already there, 2 pi. Pi get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 5s are 250s are. So F value you will get it as 50 hertz. That is the frequency. Meanwhile, you need to find the value of time period. T is equals to what? That is 1 by f, or f is equals to what? 1 by t. So t is equals to 1 by 50, because here we got the value of f, f. So substitute there. So what you will get? So you will get it as f is equals t is equals to 0. No, we can't. So you will get 152 0.02 seconds. So this will be the answer for question number 1. Okay. So similarly, we have question number 2. So just go through with the solution. So I am going to erase this solution of question number 1, and let's move on to the question number 2. So what is that question number 2? We'll see. Just read the question once. In an AC circuit consists of pure resistance of 10 ohm. So R value is given. R is equals to what? 10 ohm. Okay. Next, and is connected across a AC voltage supply or AC supply of 230 volt. AC supply is given, that is 230 volt. AC supply is nothing but VRMS. I'll take it as VRMS. That is how much? 230 volt. And 50 hertz, 230 volts voltage, and 50 hertz is nothing but what? That is a frequency. FR is also given. F is equals to 50 hertz. Now what we need to find? Calculate the circuit current and power dissipated. So how to find the value of circuit current? So we know that the expression for current, we have a formula. By using Ohm's law only you can write. See, VRMS is equals to IRMS into R. So VRMS we know that is given, R value you know that is given. Then what you need to find? That you need to find the value of IRMS. IRMS is equals to VRMS divided by R. So VRMS value is what here? That is given by 230 volt. 230 volt divided by R value is how much? That is 10 ohm. So these two will get cancelled. You will get the value of 23 ampere is the IRMS current. That means that is what they have asked, correct? So they calculate the circuit current. So circuit current you will get it as 23 ampere. Okay. So meanwhile you need to find the value of power. See, here you just remember one thing. Okay. So here resistance value is given. That means what? This concept belongs to the, this problem belongs, it comes under the